Bismillah, welcome to DersCOdes, aka Mohammed Anders from Agency 7. My co-host Salim is busy right now, so we're going to get cracking. We left off working on funnel fit, and to recap, it was July 29th idea of the day from ideabrowser.com, and it's a funnel SaaS, a funnel as a SaaS service. So people selling fitness coaching or other niches in that area can spin up a funnel site real quick for about $29 a month. So let's get into it. So it's called Funnel Fit now, not Funnel Fix, but it doesn't really matter. We've got both domains. So let's pull cursor. Let's run the project. I think it might be PNPM we're actually using. Localhost 3001. We must have something else running. Let's check. Yeah, it's already running, so we can stop that and use that for commits. So it'll be on localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. Got an internal error. Probably just needs to be stopped and started. Every once in a while Next does that. We'll go to our dashboard. We've got our user auth running, and here's a funnel. The nice thing about this funnel's editing mode so far is you can go in and load an example. So these are all the variables that pull into this title and subtitle. The idea is that there's a formula that we pulled from another site. We analyze their funnel and pull the formula as to how they construct their hook, basically. So if we go into Chat GPT, here it is here. It's deliverable, got us result count, result type, at cost, in time frame, and you can offer a hook in effort and access method. So that's all here. So if we go nutrition, how I generated 89 nutrition plan buyers only for $5.23 per lead in the first week. I'll show you how to copy my proven system in just 5 minutes with a step-by-step video guide. Then we need to have this be editable. So we're going to work on that step-by-step for this lead magnet funnel. And the other thing we got going on is when you create a new funnel, there's lead magnet, sales page, webinar registration. I don't think we need these templates in the sidebar anymore, so we'll get rid of that. I'm gonna check the status of this project. So we need to make a commit, git add write commit, and we also have to hook this up to a repo so that we are backing up our changes. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is get rid of this funnel fix sidebar template. So I'm going to go into Claude, Shift Tab, and we did start building out these requirements docs. So I'll have to read through that to get, we built that with Curo requirements agent, but then we needed design, and I'm not sure how much it's already executed on, but for now, first of all, it's auto compacting, so let's clear. Let's run this because there's an update. My Claude is sort of messed up in a way. Something I did in trying to fix the agent. Claude. Okay, so let's say we got, I'll take a screenshot of that. I'm gonna draw on it. Go to Claude. We no longer need the lead magnet funnel and funnel templates on the left-hand sidebar. I'm not sure if you picked up that audio. Check. I'm gonna try something. Check 1, 2. Yeah, I think you're still picking it up. Just wanted to make sure it's passing through to the video. Got some loopbacks going here. So plan mode. We'll let that stew on puzzle. We're gonna hook up a repo. GitHub repo create, let's check in on that. Yeah, it just wants permissions to read that image. Create no repo, push an existing local. That looks good to me. Funnel fix.app. We're gonna call it funnel fit. App, agency 7, no description, private, yes, now it's pushed
Your agent needs.
Let's see, so I hope that agent call is not too loud. Technically supposed to be going through black hole, I think. We also got loopback audio, so we'll see. Apologies if the agent is yelling at you really loud. Okay, so we're gonna go, based on my research I've done, component sidebar, lines 6 through 13. I'm gonna auto accept. Okay, so let's see. We are also analyzing this funnel, so okay, so done. Let's go see. Okay, now that's gone, that's good. Let's look into just a different profile. Yeah, here we go with some of our research. Okay, so this was the format we got that formula from, and then we want to have a video option for them to add. I think for this one, because okay, here's the question. What is the free resource that a fitness coach would want to offer? That's the question in a funnel. So lead magnet funnel. My Alexa's announcing I have to clean the office. It's cleaned, Alexa. You know, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna go to Chat GPT and I'm gonna say, based on our funnel template recommendations. Okay, so let's see if that makes. Hello, you there? Yeah, what I'm wondering is for the lead magnet funnels we're looking at, what types of things should we include on the funnel page as a free offer? Wait. Specifically for fitness coaches or AI fitness coaches, like ones that are focused online. Oh yeah, we got some information there. So for AI fitness coaches, they say personalized fitness assessment, quick AI-driven workout plan. Another idea could be optimizing workouts with AI, or a checklist of the top 10 tips to improve fitness results with technology. I kind of like this one, but it really depends on the fitness coach. We should give them some options. So let's throw this on Claude. Or I want to generate some code, I want to generate some options with more details for each option for these following ideas. I'll paste that in. So my end goal is that the user goes in and selects from a drop down one of these three. Then it populates either a checklist or a quick guide, stuff like that the user can fill in. So just give me the stuff that they would actually fill in, like 3 of them, and then I'll put it into Claude to have it be from a drop down that they populate. So hopefully you picked up that audio. If not, you can read it here. Let's hit enter. Okay, these are great. Let's go into cursor and say, I want to build out a plan with Curo. I want to build out the requirements with Curo-requirements agent for this feature of the user clicking between 3 different types of offers that they can fill in that connect to the database when they select one, and they can fill it out, and then it's a downloadable resource at the when they click any one of the call to actions. I'm starting at the top in the hero, and I'll paste all that information in, and we want to change this to Curo. We'll let that run for a bit. Just so you guys are aware, I run a Canadian division and a worldwide division of an agency. So this is our Canadian division. We mostly are doing software now. We can automate, but we're not an automation agency really. At least not per client. So we can do a discovery call with us. This is some software we built or building. We've got a podcast. We've got some agency tools, project cost estimator, some designer tools, graph paper generator, some statistical data. And then this is our worldwide division. You can book a free call with us as well there. This is Sky Patrol. Something that's cooking, more on that later. So let's check in on the sub agent. I'll use the requirements agent to help build comprehensive requirements for your lead make offers feature. Let me continue with the agent to develop the full requirements doc. Okay, so it's just doing its thing. That's good. It says it's done, but it's not. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a breather, post this, and then post another later. Actually, I want you guys to see the results, so I'll pause and then show you the result. Okay, so we got our requirements doc. These docs are going to live in specs lead magnet offers. Introduction, this feature will implement 3 distinct lead magnets. Each offer type provides value while collecting user information for lead generation purposes. The offer includes an interactive workout, optimization guide, a tech tips checklist. I'm assuming that's for fitness and an AI fitness plan generator. Acceptance criteria. I'm just sure this is good. It's a lot to read right now. Here's the user story. Yeah, this looks good. So let's just vibe code it with a spec. So it's pretty nice. You can always change the spec or revert. Oh, let's commit our last chain. So git status, git add write commit, and let's run this. So this is just writing a markdown document right now. It's not doing any coding, but it's super handy. Okay, so now we have specs, lead magnet offers, requirement, and then it should follow up with the design spec with our permission. See, since it's in plan mode, I wonder if it skips the design spec, because it should go into that agent. It's going straight to the plan. Let's go.
Mohammed, you're...
So, can you implement the Curo design agent to use for this lead magnet offers requirements document? We'll see if that picks up the Curo design agent now. There we go. That's what I didn't do last time. It really should just like pick it up, so maybe it needs better wording. Not sure what that binary thing was, but it's hustling now. It's dividing, it says. Or dividing. Let's see, so I was working on some Agency 7 stuff. This is our funnel animation. I like, which one do I like? This one, I think. This one, yeah. It needs to be reversed, almost. Maybe not. This one's good. Put it on the home page. Download as a GIF, funnel fix. Localhost 3000. While that's going, we can say we want to go to our public, add in this guy, rename to hero. I'm going to say on the home page, use this file as the hero image. Okay. So the nice thing is we can have 2 things happening at once because they're not really going to cross over because it's just in design mode. So we're going to add that to the home page in the hero. We also need to build our funnel. We'll get there. We need a funnel for our funnel maker. Okay. Funnel fit. What page was that on? Funnel people dashboard. Let's just say funnel fit, fitness coach, funnels fast. Welcome to funnel fit. The only reason I'm not doing find and replace because some of these crazy files that have it referenced here, and also in the nav, funnel fit. Where's the nav? Curo design agent still going. Here we go. I think that's the one. Yeah, it's hot in here. tell you. There's the Kiro design agent, still going. Yeah, sometimes it prematurely says it's finished. What are some other assets we can add? The homepage doesn't have to be pricing. So we had that in our funnel. Yeah, but we want to drive people through a funnel, so we'll come back to this. I just want to get this ready. Bismillah, and we're back. So here's Claude's plan. Lead magnet offer design documentation creation plan. Based on the requirements, document my analysis of the existing code base. I'll create a comprehensive design document featuring summary linking to requirements, integration with existing funnel builder, value prop, KIRO CTA, lead magnet selector, offer forms, PDF generation, state management using React context. Yeah, so we're going to have to pipe this all into a page on the front end next, I think, for testing. New tables to create, new endpoints, new components to create. It all looks good to me. So let's go ahead and create that design document. I'll let that go for a while. So this is the design document that I created. This design document outlines the technical implementation for the lead magnet offers feature, which provides 3 interactive lead capture tools, integrated goals, quick guide, checklist, AI fitness planner, PDF downloads, tracking, integrate. Yeah, this is all looking good. I trust this. So now we can say implement the lead magnets offers design document with Curo plan agent, and we'll let that run. Should pick up the agent. Okay, so we got our Curo plan. If we go to, it's called task, so database schema implementation, create database migration for offers, submissions, analytics, create types using Zod for validation, foundation, a Git route for offers, submit, analytics. Yeah, there's quite a bit here, but we're just going to vibe code it for now, and you can always rerun these. Let's do a commit. Oh, I don't have to write commits anymore. We have AI. Okay, that's happening. Let's say use Curo execution agent, executor agent to implement plan in lead magnet offers task. And we'll let that run. I'm going to pause just for expedience sake. Alright, we're live with Salim. Okay, so I'm just going to ask it, how do I use this new setup? Oh, you know what? I think it implemented. So how do I use this new setup? Implement lead make. Let's see. So we'll let that cook, because there's a spot where we can go and generate something. If I go to ChatGPT, so it's gonna generate these 3. They're gonna have a choice between generating a quick guide for their customers, or like a free guide that's like the lead magnet, or a top 10 tech tips to boost your fitness. But all this will be tailored to the fitness coach, or build your own AI fitness plan. And like, these are ideas right now, but this is like how the technology is going to help them. So it's going to help them build these free lead gen. Did you hear that? Okay. The agent just talked to me, so it said foundation for the lead magnet offers features has been use it. 3 new database tables. Oh, we need to run the migration, get available offers, create the React components. Okay, so it's still got more work to do, so we can proceed, and we'll have to run the migrations. So I think I can just we have to run this command. We're gonna go here. Yeah, so we gotta link it, Supabase. So you can do this manually as well. Remember when you copy that SQL into Supabase? We have to do Supabase in it. So this kind of does it for you. Link funnel fix app, password. I'm going to pull off screen for a second because the password's located in the .env file. Database password, enter, okay. And then we can go and run the migration. Remote database is up to date. So I still might need to run some schema stuff. I'll proceed. Alright, so what I had done while you were gone that's of interest to the marketing side is it just called me. Applied database changes. Okay, let's see. It says up to date. Run this command. Okay. Kernel server error. Let's see. Oh, here we go. So it's saying that route or the information we're trying to send to the backend is having an issue with selecting something from Supabase. So we'll get back a result. But in here, I was looking at different types of customer profiles for us. There's like a list from, what was it called again? Try shortcut. There was a list. Oh, it needs my input. Okay, let's just do that. Where are my other documents? So let's say recent. I think this one. Okay, so these are just different niches and names of different businesses in those niches, services they offer, and their target audience. So I broke it down to like 5 that can fit our template, and then why it's the best fit for us. So this is a table we can reference, and we can reference the other one as well. Yeah, so any feedback or ideas about that? You there, Celine? Oh, I can't hear you. Why can't I hear you? I could hear you before. Can't hear you. Okay, that's okay. Fix the issue. We'll run this command again. Failed to fetch offers. Okay, different error now. Shift tab. Oh, it says the database tables haven't been graded yet. CLI,
Your agent needs your...
Yeah, CLI. We'll try this again. It says remote database is up to date. I think it's not grabbing something here. Might be the location of the file. We'll let it search for it. I have to leave in like 5 anyways, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause here. Zoom. Talk. Oh, yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Okay, we're good then. So you were saying? Oh, okay. You were saying? Okay, so yes, but the copy right now, we're building the funnel that they're gonna see, and then they're gonna use this funnel tailored towards them. So I'm building it out for us first so that then we can make it so they can use it, if that makes sense. Because we have to build a funnel to funnel them into our app. We can't just have a website. Yeah, so what we're going to have to do is, so that's our app. So to get them in our app, to start building their funnel. But right now, this here is our funnel, and then once it's complete, we can make it their funnel builder. But right now, we're building a funnel builder for ourselves so that we can just repurpose it for them. So there's going to be an admin section for us, for our funnels, and then there'll be a user section for their funnels. Does that make sense?
We're building there.
Yeah, so like our funnel, we're going to have to either run ads or have some source to say like your free offer, like an ad copy of some sort brings us to the funnel. Yeah, we might have to run some ads, but the idea is that we're going to offer them like something we can produce for free, like a free funnel template. So that's going to look like what they're asking here is so this is a funnel template. So you'll watch this video. So we could make a little video and show them how to have a quick template for a funnel. I have to watch this and like repurpose it, and I have some ideas, but so there is some disconnect right now. But that's one potential idea. And then if they convert into that and we get their information, then we upsell them into building their own funnel with our app for $29 a month. If you click get instant access here, they just create an account. Yeah, and it says 14 days for free. So that's what they're doing. Okay. So we can funnel them into our app, give them 14 days to try it out. That's a potential. It won't cost us much in hosting. And then if they continue on, they get charged. It could be like 7 days or 3 days because we're charging cheaper amount. Yeah, I think 3 is good.
And I
Like
guess
this
they
will be
would.
a Google login. They just click Google login and that's all we need. We'll get their email, their name, and then we'll want to. I don't know if we follow it up with like they fill in more information after that because they have to put in their credit card. I think for the trial, right? I'm not sure. Should I just try? Okay, and I'll just do kitson.org. Yeah, I think you're right. See,
And
it says
your
then
email.
no, but then it says then 149 cancel anytime. So I think it's gonna take you to okay, workspace, continue. I'm just starting out. Other stuff. Only me.
Or
Other stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I'm taking screenshots. Oh, other. Join the live onboarding. How do I skip this? No. Take me my account. Which goals do you want to achieve? See all templates. See details. Start with this template. Okay. So if I click publish here, will it let me publish? See, if you want to publish, you have to continue with a payment for the trial. You can, yeah, so you can preview it. It's still technically a trial, but you can preview it, but that's how they're converting. I mean,
and then we go back to our.
yeah, but we want to have like an intermediate like they do, probably with less questions, but to gather more information. Sure. Yeah. Business type.
Contact like email.
Business type, email. Well, we have their email already from Google. Business. Well, what if they don't have a Google? Should we give them an option to? Yeah. So email, because I like how they did business email. But I also like the quickness of Google login. Yeah.
If
Yeah.
I
Good point.
was a
Good
solo
point. Good point. So business type, email,
name, of course.
name.
That
Yeah.
with those, what were you
How
thinking?
did you find us? Maybe.
Be like,
Okay.
I don't think
Yeah,
and be
but
like and do it.
I was just gonna say like the hard thing is if we're driving it this way, the whole point of this is to try and convert. That's the point of a funnel. Like we can do follow up emails, but it'll be a lot of work for you if we're getting the amount of traffic we want. But it doesn't mean we can't have like tailored calls with people that are like whales almost, like someone that we can build up features for. But I think if we tried to do that with every single one, it would just be unmanageable if we attain the goal that we want to make it sustainable.
Say we got like
I wouldn't
7 to 10.
say fitness coach is small because if you go on the ad library, so first of all, this is the ads perspective is running. But if you go on here and you search fitness coach, like let's say 14.4K followers, these are the ads they're running. Let's see. Where does it lead to? See, this guy's not even. This is a different language. Say fitness advertisers. What if I just hit enter? Like, I think there's like a lot of ads. Like, and it depends on if they're getting leads or not, and how their funnels are set up. So yeah.
And then allow me to do this for.
We have to set a budget for ourselves, and the other thing is like. Were you using a funnel?
I could something and then my buyout was like
the ads I run are quite a bit different than the marketplace boosting. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what these guys do. If I go into I'm gonna pause the video. Yeah, it's gonna land them. So we gather the information and then it'll land them where they can start building out the funnel with our editor. Yeah. So I'm just getting
we're at this stage.
I'm just building up the lead magnet. So the automated lead magnet that they're gonna offer to their customers. So I'm gonna run this command. Oh, I think I have to run it manually. -F and let's see here. I'll have to give it that response. Never seen that. Try unknown short flag -F. Must be a update thing that the model doesn't have. Yeah, slapping, yeah. A lot of them, yeah. Copy the contents of Supabase. Yeah, and my parents do, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's just spam calls. That's all it ever is spam. Okay, create a new one. Run. Yeah. Okay, let's say I ran it. Supabase. It was warm today. Yeah. Okay, we got some info. Let's see what this even means, because it asked me to run that page. Yeah. No, it helps solidify it for me. Oh, there's a Zod error.
We are.
Yeah. We'll just IP limit. Let's do, what is it recommending? Okay, we'll do the recommendation.
Oh, I guess it's
I
7
just
o'clock.
realized I missed it. I shouldn't do that with Acer now. I'll let this run. If you're around when I'm back, we can talk, but otherwise I'll just get this working and show you.
All set and ready for the next.
Okay. Yeah. I'll show you this
Solid
at some
trip
point.
tonight.
And we're back. So we've built this publish feature. So you can publish and unpublish the page, then you get the page like this. Let's start tailoring this towards a fitness coach so we can see what it would look like for them. So edit mode, deliverable is going to be a 12-week weight loss program, number of results achieved, so that could be how much weight they lost, 20, result type of result, pound loss, cost per result. So this part may not make sense for fitness trainer because we were building this lead for this funnel for us. So let's see, I generate 20 pound generated. So we have to help this with AI to make this make more sense. Yeah. But that's okay. Let's check in on our agent. It wants us to run a type check. We can do that. So let's think through this problem. We want the cost per result. So we just want this to be cost per result. So let's say just total, just $20 inside 12 week offer hook. The main offer, download our free resource. Well, there's actually in under a minute. So the thing that we're generating, if we go into the code, then we go and look at our lead magnet builder config design plan. So the implementation of a lead magnet builder, which enables funnel creators, i.e. fitness coaches, to select, configure, and customize lead magnet. For example, there's going to be a quick guide, checklist, and an AI fitness plan. So let's just say download our free AI fitness plan in under a minute. This method with quick email sign up. Only generated. So this generated. We should just make this editable. So we go save changes. Okay, so it's not saving from the template mode. That's a bug. So I'm going to pause here to save some time while things generate. We're going to have to wrap it up here and continue on tomorrow.